So do you want to ask me anything?
नहीं सर, इसमें आप बोले कि फर्दर हम जो है कंटिन्यू करेंगे। इसमें आप वहाँ पर आप इंफॉर्मेशन बता दीजिए क्वेश्चन। I asked him how did he reply to your point two.
So should we continue this topic?
Yes.
Okay. I gave you a topic last time. That was also in indirect speech. Didn't you prepare that?
तो सर आप बोले थे उसको प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए। I went to market to buy a piece of cloth for my shirt, and I told the shopkeeper, give me a piece of cloth for my shirt, and I purchased, and I went to my tailor master, and I told that you had taken my measurement for a shirt. He took measurement and replied that the, the piece of cloth was not sufficient for your shirt. And
For your name, for my shirt.
for my and he told me you he told me I went to shopkeeper to purchase more cloth.
Told me नहीं, उसने मतलब मेरे से कहा. He asked me. He asked me to go back to the shop.
Yes.
He asked me to go back to the shop to bring some more cloth of the same kind. ये पूरा इसी में इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में.
Yes.
We can practice some more sentences, then I'll tell you again a joke.
सर एक चीज करना था कि जो आप रिकॉर्ड करते हैं तो एक्चुअली में क्या होता है कुछ सेंटेंस जो है मिस कर दिया तो उसका लिंक दे दीजिएगा या आप भेज दीजिएगा व्हाट्सएप पर हमको प्रैक्टिस करने में सुविधा हो.
कौन सा लिंक?
जो भी रिकॉर्ड करते हैं व्हाट्सएप पे जैसे भेज दीजिएगा. जो भी स्टोरी आप कहिएगा हमको प्रैक्टिस करने में सुविधा होगा.
वीडियो लिंक. ओके, वीडियो लिंक चाहिए आपको. हाँ तो भेज दो. I'll send you. तो चलिए और प्रैक्टिस करते हैं आज. कुछ बुक्स तो थी मेरे पास. का तो पता नहीं कहाँ चली गई. ढूंढते हैं. चलिए मैं वैसे ही आपको कुछ सेंटेंस देता हूं, जैसे सपोज ही सेड टू मी, he said to me, where are you going? I said to him, I am going to market. चलो पहले इतना ही करते फिर आगे चलेंगे। तो he said to me, where are you going? I said to him, I am going to market.
एक मिनट। He asked me, where I was going to market. Where I was going to.
He asked me where I was going to.
He asked me where I was going to.
हाँ लगा लो, टू लगा सकते हो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
I replied. I was going to market.
बस सिंपल।
Yeah.
He said to me, can I come with you? I said to him, why not?
Can you perform?
Can I? He said to me, can I come with you?
Yes. I said.
तो भाई उसने मुझसे पूछा, he said to me, can I come with you? तो he asked me,
Yes.
he asked me, बोलिए।
He asked me if
हाँ,
if
कैन का कुड हो जाएगा,
yes sir.
कैन का कुड हो जाएगा।
हाँ yes.
If he could come with me, if he could come with me, ये हो जाएगा।
Yes. He asked me if he could come with me. Yes.
I replied in affirmative। बस हो गया। I replied in नेगेटिव या एफर्मेटिव। अगर उत्तर नो होता तो नेगेटिव, उत्तर यस है इसलिए एफर्मेटिव। चलिए अब उसने कहा कि चलो, he said to me, why are you going to market? I replied, yeah, I said to him, I am going to market.
Why are you
Going to market.
Okay.
Why are you going to market? I said to him, I am going to market to buy some vegetable, fruits and groceries. तो उसने पूछा क्यों जा रहे हो भैया? He asked me why I was going to market. Why I was going to market.
Why I was going to market.
I replied या I told him भी कह सकते हो, मैंने उसको बताया।
रिप्लाई वाला ही रहता है, फिर कंफ्यूजन होते रहेगा जवाब में रिप्लाई।
टोल्ड का मतलब है बताना, टेल। बताना भी कर सकते हो आप। उत्तर दिया तो ये हो जाता है थोड़ा बॉस को उत्तर दिया। ये तो दोस्त है तो दोस्त को तो बता सकता है। तो he told him या I told him होगा।
Yes, I told him.
I was going to market to buy vegetable, fruits and groceries.
Same होगा जाएगा। It was.
We can take some more examples. मेरी माँ ने मुझसे कहा तुम बाजार जाके सब्जी ले आओ, मेहमान आने वाले हैं। First, in English, my mother said to me, inverted comma, go to market and bring some vegetables, comma, guests have to arrive, या guests are to arrive। आने वाले हैं। तब उसका इनडायरेक्ट क्या हो जाएगा?
My mother expected me.
हाँ चलेगा। या my mother ordered me, या mother asked me, या my mother requested me। जैसे भी टोन होगी आप उस हिसाब से बना सकते हैं। कभी कभी माँ रिक्वेस्ट वे में भी बोलती है, बोलती अरे लल्ला मुन्ना चला जा बेटा, जल्दी ले आ, मेहमान आने वाले हैं। कभी गुस्से में भी बोलती है, अरे जल्दी जा, बैठा ही रहेगा क्या, मेहमान आने वाले हैं। तू तैयार ही नहीं हो पाता, इतनी देर लगाता है तैयार होने में। इट डिपेंड्स। इंस्ट्रक्टेड भी बोल सकती है, रिक्वेस्टेड भी बोल सकती है और ऑर्डर्ड भी बोल सकती है, कुछ भी। वो तो माँ है। क्या टोल्ड में भी? टोल्ड इसलिए नहीं होगा, टोल्ड मतलब होता बताना। वो बता नहीं रही, वो तो कह रही है। आस्क कह सकते हो आप। आस्क मतलब कोई काम करने के लिए कहना। तो माय मदर आस्क्ड मी, माय मदर रिक्वेस्टेड मी, माय मदर ऑर्डर्ड मी, और क्या बोला था आपने? हाँ, इंस्ट्रक्टेड, ऑर्डर्ड, रिक्वेस्टेड, कुछ भी यूज कर सकते हैं।
बहुत सकते हैं कि ऑर्डर या रिक्वेस्टेड हो जाएगा।
हाँ,
was नहीं, murder या rape.
यस।
My mother requested me to
और रिक्वेस्टेड नहीं लिखना, सपोज रिक्वेस्टेड हो जाएगा थोड़ा कि बहुत ज्यादा नम्रता से, तो माँ बहुत ज्यादा नम्रता से नहीं बोलती, या तो बहुत लाड़ होगा उसकी बात में, तो इसलिए वहां रिक्वेस्टेड की जगह अपन ये भी कह सकते हो, माय मदर आस्क्ड मी पोलाइटली।
yes.
नम्रता से बोली।
My mother asked me politely
हम्म,
to go to market.
हाँ, आस्क्ड मी पोलाइटली टू गो टू मार्केट, टू ब्रिंग
and and bring some vegetable
and fruit as
as guest
were to come।
बहुत अच्छा लगा कि यह बात भी चलेगा।
बहुत सारे है ना मेहमान, गेस्ट वर टू कम।
एक ही आएगा तो सर
मेहमान आने वाले ऐसे ही बोलते हैं, ऐसे नहीं बोलते मेहमान आने वाला है।
यस यस
मेहमान आने वाले हैं,
यस
मेहमान आने वाला है नहीं बोलते। है ना, सरदार जी ने कॉल सेंटर पे फोन लगाया और बड़बड़ाने लगे, तेजी से जोर जोर से चिल्लाने लगे, क्या तुम लोग पैसे काट लेते हो, ये वो, मैंने एक ही कॉल किया और 20 रुपए काट लिए मेरे, और फलाना ढिमका, मैं ये कर दूंगा वो कर दूंगा। उधर से लड़की बोली, सर आप नम्रता से बात करिए। सरदार जी बोले, तो कराओ। समझ नहीं आया क्या?
यस यस यस
लड़की बोली, आप नम्रता से बात करिए। सरदार जी बोले, तो कराओ, तो कराओ जी कराओ।
ओके ओके यस
लड़की बोली, नम्रता से बात करिए। सरदार जी बोले, कराओ। कहाँ है नम्रता, बुलाओ, कराओ नम्रता से बात। ऐसे ही जोक बन जाते हैं साहब, लेकिन सरदार जी पे बनाते हैं, ये अच्छी बात नहीं।
सर ऐसा करेंगे सर, अपने से एक स्टोरी तैयार करें, क्वेश्चन में कोई क्वेश्चन फॉर्म में डायलॉग में और वन टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंसेस दिस इज कुड बी कवर्ड इस टाइप से।
हाँ हाँ, यस यू कैन डू, you can ask me, no problem, you can make questions and you can ask me question and I'll answer them। तो ये हो गया कि my mother asked me to go to market, asked me politely to go to market to bring some fruit and vegetable as the guests were about to come, about to arrive।
Yes, word about yes, word about ये sorry जिसे word to come बोलते हैं और एक word about to come
were to come, were about to come, एक ही बात है।
सेंस एक ही रहता है, कोई डिफरेंस उसमें नहीं, वैसा नहीं।
किसमें?
अबाउट टू कम,
देखो, गेस्ट वर टू कम या गेस्ट वर अबाउट टू कम, एक ही बात है,
यस,
कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है ज्यादा। My mother asked me politely to go to market to bring some vegetable and fruit as guests were about to come. But I was busy that time. अब आप अपने आप बनाओ, ट्रांसलेशन छोड़ो। But that time I was very busy. I didn't want to go to market. So I asked my mother not to disturb me. ये इनडायरेक्ट में बोल दिया मैंने डायरेक्ट। I was busy, I was doing my work, I was not in a mood to go to market that time. I asked my mother not to disturb. अब वैसे क्या होता? I said to my mother, don't disturb me. लेकिन मैंने पहले ही इनडायरेक्ट बोल दिया। I asked my mother not to disturb me. और इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच बोलना मेरे लिए मुझको आसान लगता है, डायरेक्ट बोलने में मुझे कष्ट होता है मुझे।
इट डिपेंड्स ऑन प्रैक्टिस।
और इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच ही सही मानी जाती है। लिखने में तो डायरेक्ट लिख सकते हो आप, लिखने में आप लिख सकते हो he said to me inverted में that I am going to do this like this, लेकिन स्पीकिंग में हमेशा इनडायरेक्ट ही बोलना चाहिए। तो I asked my mother not to disturb me. तो अब जैसे but mother told me she had only 15 minutes to prepare breakfast for the guest because guests were about to come. तो अब क्या? She told me that she had got only 15 minutes to prepare breakfast for the guest. As the guests were about to come. Clear?
Yes.
माँ ने मुझसे कहा देखो मेरे पास 15 मिनट ही बचे हैं नाश्ता बनाने के लिए मेहमानों के लिए, क्योंकि अब वो आने ही वाले हैं। तो डायरेक्ट स्पीच में क्या बोलते? माँ बोलती माय मदर सेड टू मी, माय मदर सेड टू मी। हाँ यस, हाँ बोलो, आप बोलो।
माय मदर told me she has only 15 minutes to prepare some breakfast. So, when I had gone to market to buy some groceries.
अब देखो ये भी पास्ट में जाएगा। माय मदर टोल्ड मी, माय मदर टोल्ड मी शी हैड गॉट। अब वो उस समय तो उन्होंने बोला था आई हैव गॉट 15 मिनट्स, तो वो पास्ट परफेक्ट में बन जाएगा आई हैड या शी हैड। तो माय मदर टोल्ड मी शी हैड गॉट ओनली 15 मिनट्स टू प्रिपेयर ब्रेकफास्ट फॉर द गेस्ट as the guests were about to come. अब जैसे आपने कहा मैं चला गया, आई वेंट टू मार्केट, तो फिर आप बोलोगे मैंने सिचुएशन को समझा। I tried to understand the situation and I realized that it was really necessary for me to go to market to bring some vegetable and fruits for the guest.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yes.
I understood. I tried to understand the situation and I realized that it was really very necessary for me to go to market to bring some vegetable and fruits for the guest. I got ready quickly and I went to market and I brought the vegetable and fruits for the guests within 10 minutes. Because market is just at my या वेरी नियर, जो भी आप बोलना चाहो, मार्केट इज वेरी नियर और क्लोज टू माई हाउस. माई मदर वॉज वेरी हैप्पी. पूरा इंडायरेक्ट स्पीच है. Like this. तो आज मैं आपको एक बहुत अच्छा जोक सुनाता हूं.
Yes.
इट्स अ जोक इन इंग्लिश and I am going to use indirect speech in it. Let's start. There were two friends. They went to cinema. They went to cinema. They were sitting, the movie was going on, but movie was very boring. They didn't like the movie. But one of the friends saw that a bald man was sitting in front of them. Understand?
Okay.
बॉल्ड मैन मतलब एक गंजा आदमी. One of the friends saw that a bald man was sitting in front of them. But as the movie was boring, then one of the friends asked his friend to slap on bald man's head.
Yes.
One of the friends asked his friend to slap on bald man's head, and he promised to give him rupees 20 for that. Clear?
Yes.
उसने अपने दोस्त से कहा कि तुम इस गंजे आदमी के सिर पे एक चांटा मारो, हाथ मारो, तो मैं तुम्हें 20 रुपए दूंगा. क्लियर?
Yes.
One of the friends asked his friend to slap on Waltzman's head, and he promised him to give 20 rupees for that activity or act. The second friend thought for some time, and then he slapped on his head and addressed him and addressed him as Raju and asked how he was. इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच चल रही है सारी. क्लियर हुआ?
Yes.
उसने उसके सिर पे हाथ मारा और उसको मनोज बोलते हुए उसने पूछा, कैसे? हेलो मनोज, हाउ आर यू? He slapped on his head and asked how he was. तो अपन ने क्या करा, जब किसी का नाम बोलते ना, हेलो मनोज, हेलो अरुण आनंद पाठक, तो एड्रेस्ड हिम एज कर देते हैं.
Yes.
तो इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में क्या कर देते हैं, एड्रेस्ड हिम एज. That friend slapped on Waltzman's head and he addressed him as Manoj and asked how he was. But he was not Manoj.
Yes.
पर वो मनोज तो था नहीं. वो तो उसने वैसे ही कर दिया था. उसने दोस्त ने शर्त रख दी कि तू गंजे को मार दे तो मैं तेरे को 20 रुपए दूंगा. और उसने सोचा कैसे मारूं, तो उसने बोला, अरे मनोज कैसे हो? मार दिया, अरे मनोज कैसे हो? Bald man got angry.
Yes.
Bald man got angry and told him that he was not Manoj. इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में हो गया पूरा.
Yes.
उसने कहा, he said to him, I am not Manoj. So he told him that he was not Manoj, and he asked him not to disturb him. तो समझ में आया?
Yes.
डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट का गेम समझना है आपको. ये समझ में आ गया तो बस मजा आ गया.
Yes.
फिर से बोलता हूं, ठीक? There were two friends. They went to cinema. They were watching. They were sitting in the hall. They were watching movie, but the movie was boring. They didn't like the movie. But in front of them, a bald man was sitting. So one of the friends asked his friend to slap on Waltzman's head, and he promised him to pay ₹20 for that. Then he thought for some time, and then he got up from his seat and slapped on Waltzman's head and addressed him as Manoj and asked how he was. But as he was not Manoj, he told him that he was not Manoj and he was not to be disturbed. He told him that he was not Manoj and asked him not to disturb him. But as he slapped him, so he got ₹20 from his friend. After some time, he again asked his friend to slap on Waltzman's head, and this time he promised to pay ₹50 for that. He thought for some time and then he got up from his seat and slapped on Waltzman's hat. And he addressed him as Manoj. And he asked him why he was posing. He knew that he was Manoj. Indirect speech. वो उठा, उसने कहा, he said to him, hello मनोज, तुम बन क्यों रहे हो? मुझे पता है तुम ही मनोज हो. So he addressed him as Manoj and asked why he was posing. He knew it very well that he was Manoj. This time that world man got angry. And he told him that he had already told him that he was not Manoj and he was not to be disturbed again. He said to him, I have already told you, I am not Manoj, please don't disturb me. ये डायरेक्ट स्पीच है. इनडायरेक्ट क्या है? वर्ल्ड मैन टोल्ड हिम that he had already mentioned that he was not Manoj, so he was not to be disturbed. But as he had slept, so he got rupees 50. Again, the third time, his friend asked him to slap on Waltzman's head and promised to pay rupees 100 this time. Soon it was interval. Everybody was out. Both the friends were out and they were taking coffee at coffee stall, and that worldman was standing there too. That friend went near to the Waltzman and slapped on his head. Addressed him as Manoj and told him that he was standing there and he had been slapping a person inside the hall who had been looking like him. नहीं आया समझ?
Yes, sir.
उसने कहा, he said to him, अरे मनोज तुम यहाँ खड़े हो? मैं अंदर समझ रहा था कि एक गंजा आदमी बैठा था तुम्हारे जैसा, मेरे को लगा कि तुम ही हो. मैं उसको पूछ रहा था. तो उसने क्या कहा? एड्रेस हिम एज मनोज. Addressed him as Manoj and told him that he was standing there and he had been slapping a person who had been looking like him. He got angry, he lost his temper this time. He told him that he had already told him that he was not Manoj and he was the same man who had been sitting inside the hall, and that was his last warning to him, otherwise he would go to call the police. But third time he had already slept, so he got 50 rupees or 100 rupees from his friend this time. So this is the story, a joke in indirect speech. अगर ये जोक बोल गए आप, अगर ये जोक बोल गए द स्टोरी, शॉर्ट पीस वाली, तो डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट आ गया।
ओके सर, तो नेक्स्ट डे आई,
तो आ गया। So this is the story for you to repeat, speak. इसको मैं अपलोड कर दूंगा कल, and I'll give you the link. And the remaining 2-3 I uploaded, that I'll give you the link.